Welcome to the Rothiemurchus Estate, a place where the ancient Caledonian pine forest meets the rugged beauty of the Cairngorms National Park. This landscape, with its rolling hills and mist-covered mountains, is home to one of Scotland's most iconic creatures, the majestic Highland deer. Here, amidst towering pines and heather-covered moorland, red deer, the largest land mammal in the UK, roam freely. Their powerful antlers stretch skyward, a testament to their strength and grace. These animals are an essential part of the ecosystem, shaping the land around them as they move through the forest, nibbling on saplings and grazing on lush grasses. In autumn, the air fills with the echoing calls of the rut. It's a time of fierce competition, where stags battle for the chance to mate. Their antlers clash in a dramatic display of power, a timeless ritual that has played out here for centuries. But life on the estate isn't just about survival, it's also about nurturing the next generation. Young fawns take their first steps under the watchful eyes of their mothers, learning to navigate this vast wilderness. The Rothiemurchus Estate offers a sanctuary for these incredible animals, a place where nature thrives, and every season brings a new chapter in the story of the Highland deer. Whether shrouded in winter snow or bathed in the golden light of summer, this is their domain. So, next time you find yourself wandering through the heart of the Cairngorms, pause, listen closely, and you might just hear the whisper of the Highlands carried on the wind, in the footsteps of these magnificent creatures. Thank you for joining us in the wilds of Rothiemurchus, where the spirit of the Highlands lives on.